As we enter an era of increasing digital transformation and automation, the huge volumes of data collected by these new technologies are driving a data revolution. Data is now a highly valuable resource that enables us to find new insights about our world, including learning about our health, predicting our behaviours, optimising resources, informing policy, and improving decision-making. As organisations strive to become data-driven and use their data to its fullest, individuals who have strong data science and analytic skills are in huge demand and are essential to an organisation's success. In the Professional Diploma in Data Analytics, you will master how to interrogate data and ask the right questions of it. You will learn how to create easy-to-understand visualizations and interactive dashboarding tools, how to statistically model data and test hypotheses. Finally, you will develop the skills needed to tell a story communicating your findings to key stakeholders, ultimately empowering you to turn data into actionable advice.